minutes on the clock.
Hey peeps, got another critique on a throwback today. If you missed my first video, I am critiquing some old spit paints that I did a few years ago. And a spit paint is simply doing a 30-minute drawing challenge based on a prompt word. They are super awesome, have it to get into. It forces you to think about composition and values and really to look at the big picture. Good stuff. Ugh, the video quality was so bad. Anyways, a couple things that I really liked about this one. I used a different method of blending the sky. Instead of just using a gradient, and I think it gave more of a textured feel. I also tried to get some different planes in here, trying to get some depth. Things that I didn't like, I think I should have found some picture references on owls, and that moon was pretty horrific. I also feel like the sky could have been blended a little better, or maybe emphasize some them as clouds instead. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you get on my email list, check out the link in the description, and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you later, peeps.